Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Graphics Universe and to our new Photoshop tutorial that we're going to do together right about now. So I hope you all are doing well, and to kick things off I want to thank you guys for watching my previous videos, and I hope you've loved them and enjoyed them as much as I hope you love this new tutorial. This one is going to be so much different and something new than the other tutorials that I made, that I've made since I started. Alright, so let me show you what we're going to do this time. So as you can see right here, this is a golden text that we're going to make together in Photoshop. Okay, so this one is our new tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started and let me show you how we're going to do that. So first things off, I'm going to create a new template. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure that from my new window, I'm going to make sure that I have selected the width to be 1000 pixels and the height to be 600 pixels, and then the background color is going to be black. Then I'm going to click on OK and then zoom out a little, so as you can see our background is totally black. And then I'm going to use my text tool and make sure that my font is going to be Trajan color, which is, it seems golden, all right, or maybe whitish yellow. So, and the size of my letters, the size of my font is going to be 60 points. Okay, so let's get to typing, and I'm going to type the word graphics. Of course it's too large, so I'm just zooming out and adjusting the scaling of the text. So let's zoom in once again, and I guess that's fine, right? Well, I just need to center it like that. Okay, and then for our next trick, I'm going to, while I'm activating the layer of that text, I'm just going to open the blending options and then activate bevel and emboss, and then make sure that I opened their menu, and then I'm going to make my style inner bevel, and the depth is going to be 220%, and then the size is going to be 30 pixels, right? And the gloss contour, I think I'm going to make it ring. As you can see, the name is going to be, yes, as the Photoshop indicates, the name of that gloss contour is ring, which is the second one at the bottom left, right? And then I'm going to hit on OK. So as you can see, our text has changed. So if I hit the effect, it's gonna look like that, and if I make the effects apparent once again, it's gonna look like this. So I guess the changes are quite obvious for you guys to see, right? So next thing, I'm going to create a duplicate of that text layer, and then I'm going to convert that duplicate to a smart object, because what I need to do with that duplicate is I need to make some sort of reflection to that text layer. So I'm just going to hit transform and bring that cursor down to the bottom at the middle, and then I'm going to flip it vertical like that. Okay, so but I'm not just gonna stop at this, I'm just going to push it upwards just a little, make it as close as possible like that, because I need to make some sort of reflection for that layer. Alright, so next thing is, in order to make the reflection more realistic, I just added a layer mask, and that layer mask I'm going to use it for my gradient tool. Okay, and then make sure that your gradient starts out as black and then fades into transparency. All right, so click on OK, and then with your mouse just go straight upwards like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to decrease the opacity of that whole layer, maybe bring it down to 445 like this. All right, and our second to last step is I'm going to add a new layer, and then I'm going to use my brush tool for that layer and maybe increase my brush opacity up to 90, I guess, and then make sure that your foreground color is white. All right, and I'm going to zoom in because that I need to add that outer glow effect for my letters like this. All right, so to the G, and maybe to letter R and letter P, letter C, not like that, not wildly, maybe something like this, and letter S like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom out, and to make that outer glow seem more realistic, I'm just going to add the blending mode overlay. So as you can see, if we zoom in a little, well, if I hit that outer glow layer, it's gonna look like that. If I make it apparent once again, it's gonna be like this. Okay, so well, the last thing to do is I just need to edit my background color. So instead of being totally black, I just need it to be a little whitish or light gray like this. So I'm just going to use my paint bucket tool and make sure of that, right? So, and then I just need to get back once again to that opacity layer and decrease it maybe down to 30% like this. And as you can see, now we're done. So we've finished making our text, golden text design. We've reached the end of it. We've reached the end of our video. So I hope you guys have learned something new from it, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. If you've watched till the end, well, frankly, and please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and please hit on the subscribe button for the support of the channel. All right, so see you guys next time in our next tutorial. So later, guys. Bye.